Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about 1Password on iPhone. So it's really simple to use 1Password, but it's a paid service. Of course, it's a monthly or yearly subscription, but it's really useful for at some cases if you don't really remember your passwords. So 1Password right here. So here's a quick tutorial by them given to me to give to you guys. So here, if you're actually trying to sign in, this is how it would look like. So you will select the username field. You will have to go to passwords, and then here in 1Password, here's a sample of what you want to autofill, and then press continue, and now it's filled like magic. So you can skip that or enable autofill. So right here, autofill for your account is going to be set, so it's gonna be right here. So let's just remove that. So you can add items right here like personal, new vault, logins, identity, starter kit, archive, recently deleted, and many much more. You also have Watchtower. So Watchtower is a overall password strength monitoring system for your passwords. So you can also set up 1Password account missing recovery mode in case you forgot your own passwords. So here you can add a new vault, or you can just add one right here. You can add some personal passwords right here. So let's create an item right here, like let's say crypto wallet, for example. So you place the recovery phrase, the password, and then here the wallet address, and then you can add another field and then save it right here. So once you have saved it, now you have a crypto wallet password stored in your 1Password in your iPhone. So 1Password does not store your password for 1Password, and if that was confusing, I was too, and it's just like a crypto wallet too. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.